Do you think that humans only possess romantic feeling in the universe? It is not true. As artists mentioned, the rhythm of this globe lies in everlasting love. You will wander to see the amazing animals that get lost in love for each other. The passion and care they give each other sometimes overtake man as well. Like humans, animals also possesses romantic feeling in this world. They look so cute when they are sharing their feelings with each other. These nature most loving couples are the most beautiful and inspiring gift of nature. Mostly the wild animals are famous for their aggressive behavior, but did you know that they also show love and affection for each other? Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Bonobo chimpanzee. Bonobo is the most inspiring and lovable kind of chimpanzee, also famous with the name of a pygmy chimpanzee. They are even similar to humans and also have some kind of feelings. As like humans, they also share anger, love, hate, and romance is the most precious among all of them. Bonobo chimpanzees used to be the most lovable and romantic couple among all other species. They spend a lot of time in lovely plays and rituals and share natural love and feelings with each other. The life of a male is very peaceful because females are in charge of society. This type of behavior is very rare in the whole animal kingdom. They are among romantic animals who have strong belief in loving their families and friends. They are considered to be less aggressive and more caring in nature. Number 4. Mannequin birds. These cute small birds are mostly found in American tropical regions. These cute birds have a size of 7 to 15 centimeters. They consist of short tails, short bills, and rounded wings. The color of female is dull green and males have black color with striking patches. They contain many exciting and inspiring features, but the voice box is the most distinctive feature in them. These small birds are blessed with beautiful sound. Another beautiful thing about this romantic bird is their beautiful mating dance. Their mating dance is one of the most beautiful romantic scenes you have ever seen, and they perform it in a very special way. Number 3. Great hornbills. Great hornbills live in Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. They have a huge life because they can live for around 50 years. Females are usually small in size as compared with male. They consist of different unique characteristics. The most prominent and eye-catching feature is their black and yellow colored casque on the top of the bill. Their mate selection is very beautiful and impressive. The males are well known for choosing cute partners. Number 2. Bowerbirds. Bowerbirds are extremely beautiful and romantic birds. Their main food is fruit and sometimes they prefer to eat flowers, leaves and nectar. They have many striking features, but their unique courtship behavior is the best one. In order to attract females, they use bright color streaks for the creation of a house. Some of their species use saliva mixed with chewed fruits in order to paint the sticks. Number 1. Pufferfish. Pufferfish is a type of marine fish and are at the top in the list of most romantic animals. They are capable of performing different skills and use different tricks in order to save them from predators. The unique thing about them is that some of their species contain spine in their skin. This will make them less palatable. The internal organs of some of their species are highly poisonous. Another main and most beautiful feature of pufferfish is that they are the most celebrated artists of the animal kingdom. The unique thing about this romantic animal is that they build new houses for romance. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.